Hi everyone, this is May Ma'am Meow and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, I am going to discuss Microsoft Excel FV function. So if you remember last time, I discussed the PMT function in Microsoft Excel. So let's learn FV function for today. All right, so FV function is one of the financial functions in Microsoft Excel. It calculates the future value of an investment based on a constant interest rate. So you can use FV with either periodic, constant payments, or a single lump sum payment. So FV stands for future value. All right, so the syntax is FV, open parenthesis, rate, comma, and per, comma, PMT, comma, PV, comma, type, close parenthesis. Okay, so as you've noticed, if you watch my previous video about PMT function, the arguments are almost the same. So we have the rate, which is required, and it's the interest rate per period. And N per, it's also required. It's the total number of payment periods in annuity, meaning it's annually. And then we have PMT. This one is required. It's the payment made each period. It cannot change over the life of the annuity. So typically, PMT contains principal and interest, but no other fees or taxes. If PMT is omitted, you must include the PV argument. So PV argument, it's the present value, which is we have next. It's also optional unless, of course, unless we don't have the PMT. So the present value or the lump sum amount that a series of future payments is worth right now. So if PV is omitted, it is assumed to be zero, and you must include the PMT argument. So if PMT is not given, then there should be a PV. If PV is not given, then there should be a PMT. And of course, we have the type, which is also optional, and it's number 0 or 1, and it indicates when payments are due. If type is omitted, it is assumed to be 0. So if it's 0, it's at the end of the period, and 1 if it's at the beginning of the period. All right, so we have an example here. So we have 6% annual interest rate in 10 periods or 10 payments, and amount of the payment monthly is $200. It's denoted in negative because this is a payment, and the present value is negative $500 because it is in negative because that's the value at present, since we are looking for future value. And we have 1 as the payment due at the beginning of the period for this example. Now let's go to our Microsoft Excel. I actually have prepared our data there. So all we need to do is to include our formula. Okay, so equal sign, FV, tab, click on your tab, then automatically it will provide you the open parenthesis and with the syntax under it. So rate is 6% since we are going to get the future value, and we need to make sure that we are consistent with our units. So the payments are made monthly, so we need to have the interest converted into monthly as well. So we have to divide this as in 12 months. Same as what we did in the PMT function. Okay, and N per, we have 10 periods, and we have the amount of payment or the payment amount, then the present value, and then the type. And then we close our formula with closing parentheses and enter. Then our feature value is $2,581.40. So this is the future value of an investment using the terms that's included in A2 to A5, which means at 6% interest rate, payment of 10 periods or 10 months with a monthly payment of $200 from the present value of $500, we will get $2,581.40 at the end of 10 months. Okay. All right. So that is feature value. So again, $2,581.40 came from, it is a combination of the principal amount and of the interest rate. Okay, so that's it for our FV function. I hope you learned something today. So stay tuned for the next video. I am going to discuss the PV function in Microsoft Excel. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's Meow Meow. And like this video and might as well share it. That's all. Goodbye.